Buckle up, Buttercup, adventures in pet travel await. Picture this. Your adventure buddy, aka your pet, and the open road calling your name. It's the dream, right? Traveling with your pet can be pure joy, filled with tail wags, purrs of contentment, and memories that'll last a lifetime. But let's be real, it can also be a bit of a circus act if you're not prepared. I remember one time flying with my Chihuahua Pepe. He's usually a well-behaved little guy, but the minute the plane took off, he decided to channel his inner opera singer. Let's just say the other passengers were not impressed. Thankfully, I had packed some high-value treats, think freeze-dried chicken hearts, that saved the day and my sanity. That's the thing about traveling with pets. It's all about expecting the unexpected and being armed with the right info and a whole lot of patience. Trust me, with a little planning, you and your four-legged friend will be racking up those travel miles and creating unforgettable stories in no time. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to embark on a crash course in pet-friendly travel, covering everything from pre-trip prep to finding the perfect pet-friendly digs. Get ready to unleash your inner explorer because adventure awaits. Safety first, snuggles later. Prepping your furry co-pilot. Before you hit the road or take to the skies, it's crucial to make sure your furry friend is ready for the journey. After all, a safe pet is a happy pet and a less stressed owner. First things first, a visit to the vet. Make sure your pet is up to date on vaccinations and has a clean bill of health for travel. Grab a copy of their records, just in case. Next, microchip your pet and update their ID tags with your current contact info. It's a lifesaver if they decide to go on an unscheduled solo adventure. Now let's talk training. If you're flying, your pet needs to be comfy in their carrier. Practice makes perfect. Start early, make it positive, treats, and gradually increase the time they spend inside. For road trips, car safety is key. Secure your pet in a well-ventilated carrier or use a pet seatbelt. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and stress-free trip for both of you. So do your homework, pack your patience, and get ready to embark on an awesome adventure with your bestie. Pack your bags and their bowls. Travel essentials for your pet. Packing for yourself is one thing, but packing for your fur baby? Now that's next-level organization. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a pawsome packing list. Food and water. Pack enough for the journey, plus extra just in case of delays. Don't forget collapsible bowls for easy feeding on the go. Medications and first aid. Keep your pet's meds organized and easily accessible. A basic pet first aid kit is a must-have for any trip, big or small. Comfort items. Familiar scents and textures can help your pet feel safe and secure in new environments. Pack their favorite blanket, bed, or toy to ease anxiety. Cleaning supplies. Accidents happen, especially on the go. Be prepared with pet waste bags, stain remover, and paper towels, leash and harness. Even if your pet is usually a pro at walking off leash, keep them secured on a leash or in a harness when exploring new places. And last but not least, don't forget the entertainment. Pack a few of your pet's favorite toys to keep them occupied during downtime. A little entertainment goes a long way in preventing boredom and potential mischief. All aboard. Navigating airports and in-flight etiquette. Flying with your furry friend can be an adventure in itself, but with a little know-how, you can make it a breeze. First things first, check with your airline about their specific pet policies, fees, and carrier requirements. Every airline is different, so do your research. When booking your flight, try to choose direct flights whenever possible to minimize travel time and stress for your pet. If a layover is unavoidable, look for pet relief areas within the airport so your pet can stretch their legs and take care of business. Once you're at the airport, keep your pet secured in their carrier at all times, except when going through security or visiting pet relief areas. Speaking of security, you'll need to remove your pet from their carrier and carry them through the metal detector. Make sure they're wearing a secure harness or collar to prevent any escape attempts. Remember, patience is key when traveling with pets. Expect the unexpected, go with the flow, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. With a little planning and a positive attitude, you'll both be enjoying your vacation in no time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more travel guide.